Converting an existing fluorescent fixture into a high-performance LED solution is easy with double-ended Type B T8 LED tubes. This demonstration shows a typical 2-lamp troffer. Your situation may vary based on the fixture. Before you begin, make sure you're in compliance with local safety and regulatory laws and standards. Begin by disconnecting the supply voltage to ensure power to the luminaire is off. Remove the fluorescent lamps. The ballast cover and the ballast, clipping the ballast lead wires about 6 inches away from each lamp holder. Disconnect the ballast power wires. And strip the wire ends of all socket leads. If 2 wires come from an existing lamp holder, rapid start type, they must be wired or shunted together. Connect the recommended fuse and fuse holder, which is available for purchase as a separate line item, to the black or hot wire from the mains. Connect all the lamp holder leads on one end of the fixture to the end of the fuse holder wire. Connect all the lamp holder leads on the other side of the fixture and connect to the white or neutral wire from the mains. Install the warning label in an easy-to-see location to ensure the user understands the system now uses LED Type B double-ended tubes, and the use of fluorescent lamps may result in damage or injury. Install Type B double-ended tubes. Reapply power to the fixture and make sure it's operating properly. That's all there is to it.